How to clear cache in Bigo Live. Is a Bigo Live app acting slow or glitchy on your iPhone? Clearing its cache can often resolve performance issue and free up space. It's like giving your app a refresh start. Let's clear Bigo Live cache. Open the Bigo Live app and go to a profile icon in the bottom right corner, like this. Then tap on settings from the top. Look for an option like clear cache or clean cache. It's available here. You'll typically see a clear cache button. Select all and tap it and confirm the action when prompted. This will remove temporary files stored by the app without deleting your personal data. After clearing cache, restart the Bigo Live app. You should notice improved performance, less lag, and potentially more free space on your iPhone. It's a great maintenance habit. Clearing a Bigo Live cache helps keep the app running smoothly. Keep your app optimized. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app maintenance tips.